Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this Gooseneck work light with magnetic. Looks like magnetic base. So, give you a little manual. This is it. Actually looks pretty heavy duty. Wow. So, fully adjustable. You can move this however you want. This light looks very simple. You have a power button right here. So let's go ahead and thread this off. It looks like it takes batteries. So actually I think they provide you with batteries already, and it's AAA batteries just in this little thing. It is 3 AAA batteries, and you just simply remove the little plastic piece they have in here. Oh wow, that's already... Wow. Look at that. Look how bright that is. That is, woo! Look at that. Look how bright that is, guys. That is amazing. That is impressive. So the further back you go, the more of a spotlight's going to open up, the closer you are. Now, it looks like, I don't know if you can actually adjust that or not, or if it just spins. Oh yeah. Oh, absolutely you can. So by pulling on this, the head of the light, you can actually make the light bigger or smaller. So you guys see this? So you can have it super wide, or you can have it a direct shot. Now the direct shot is really bright. I mean, we're talking super, super bright. And as you make it wider, it's still very, very bright. Overall, this is actually going to work great for working under a vehicle, under our hood, with the magnetic. That's a pretty strong magnet, so it's going to stick. We don't have anything to show you guys, but yeah, that is definitely a strong magnet. Overall, guys, very nice.